We are starting our mini gallery wall with the top board being an old sign which we are painting with a color called 1987, which is a really nice old type ballet pink. So we've given our board 2 coats of paint and we will be ready for our transfer. Once we decide which elements we want in our design, we cut them along the grid lines. The transfer itself is 12 inches wide and our board is 36 inches wide. So of the elements full width fit perfect. I matched the center of my middle piece with the center of my board, and that way I know I'll have my center all set. The paint we used to top coat the board had a built-in sealer, so the transfer just comes right off super easily. We will have to put a top coat over it, even though there's a top coat underneath it. And we're done. The top board of our mini wall gallery with the Brocante birds perched on their branches.